Want to know how to find and get the best affordable roof repair installation in one day? And without dealing with shady roofing repair companies? When it comes to finding the best roof repair contractors in Maplewood, New Jersey, there is one big challenge that you will be faced with. One of the biggest challenges you will have with roof repair contractors is finding an affordable roof repair company in Maplewood, New Jersey, who is fast and does good work. This is a challenge because some roofing companies use pushy methods and sales tactics that can leave you, the homeowner, with a poor quality and expensive roof repair bill. Here are 7 questions that you should ask to help you identify a reputable roof repair company. 1. What types of roofing do you install? 2. Do you offer financing? 3. Do you work with homeowners insurance to file claims? 4. Do you have a current license to do this work in my area? 5. What types of insurance do you have, and what is the coverage? 6. Can you give me 2 or 3 references to check? 7. Do you remove or dispose of old roofing materials? Is there a disposal charge? Now that you understand some of the top questions you should ask your Maplewood roof repair contractor, there's no reason to keep struggling with that leaking roof and dripping water inside your home. Ready to get help with a reputable Maplewood roof repair contractor? Want a free quality quote? Call us now at 1-973-847-2077 or visit us online and follow the link below.